Today we're working on a 2012 Dodge Caravan. It has a check engine light on and a code P0302. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, the vehicle owner had the spark plugs replaced and the number 2 ignition coil replaced to try to fix the problem. It didn't resolve it. We need 3 things to not have a misfire. We need ignition, which is what he tried to resolve, so spark. We need fuel, and we need compression. The compression test showed that number 2 cylinder was low, so we did a cylinder leakage test, and it showed it was a valve. Now I'd like to show you the cylinder head right here. You have intake valves and exhaust valves. And you can see right here the smoke coming out. I have smoke pressure in this cylinder head right now on this exhaust valve right here. The other valves are okay. So that's why we had low compression and we had a code P0302 on this Caravan. I hope this has been informational to you, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.